से समझिएगा, and we will take queries in the end if you have any question. So let's start with stake data structure. So just brief points. Definitely, you know, these data structures, they store, notes बनाते जाएं, लिखते जाएं, ताकि example भी note करते जाएं, right? So these data structures, they store or contain different types of data. That is a very, very simple. So we see that so nobody is there, please. So store the different types of the data. So the concept for stake is how stake works. For example, we have been given a data that is 2, 4. Okay, sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, screen is not shared. Sorry for that. Yes, I got it. Yes, just thank you. I hope this is visible, right? Ab sahi hai? Thank you. Okay, so I restart it, right? So stake data structure. Just please confirm that is it visible? Now you can see my screen. Okay, thank you. So data structures, stake data structure, for example, the different data structure they store or contain different types of data, right? That we are studying from very initial class. कि हम जो है different type का data जो है data structures के अंदर रखते हैं. In today's class, we are going to discuss the stake data structure. For example, you are being asked to create a stake data structure which stores 2, 4, 6, and 8. Then how we do that? So let's create a stake. So a stake, just digital notes, so maybe like that, a stake. So in a stake, initially this stake or this container of a stake is empty. ये खाली है. अभी यानी ये स्टेक जो है इस कंडीशन में हम कहेंगे this is the container of the stake, but this is the empty stake. इसको हम जो है वो empty stake कहेंगे. So this is a empty stake and we label it 1. Now the next stake we create. In the next stake we insert our first data element, that is 2. और ध्यान से सुनिएगा. This is empty stake and this is the stake that in which we have inserted the element and the even number, that is the 2. So stake 2 contains or stores data that is digit 2. Now this one, then second stake, for example, we have the third stake, the 2 is already there. Now we insert this data, so this would be the 4. So stake 3 has 2 elements, it already had digit 2, now 4. Then we have stake 4, 2, 4 पहले से मौजूद. Now you insert the 6. Then we have a stake. Then we have the stake that has 2, 4, 6, and 8. This value. So what we have done so far, we have created a stake of integers. There are 5 stakes. Stake 1 is the empty stake. Stake 2, in which we inserted digit or the number that is 2. Stake 3 contains 2 and 4. Stake 4 contains 2, 4, 6. Stake 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 contains, stake 5 contains 2, 4, 6 and 8. डियर स्टूडेंट, एक बड़ी अहम बात है जो समझना. अब ये मैंने जो स्टेक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर के कंटेनर्स बनाए हैं और ये एग्जांपल की है, इसका मतलब समझिएगा. इसका मतलब ये है कि स्टेक अपने अंदर जो डेटा स्टोर करता है वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर like the pile of plates in the kitchen, right? किस तरह से आप रखते हैं? एक प्लेट, उसके ऊपर दूसरी, उसके ऊपर तीसरी, उसके ऊपर चौथी. Just these are the very simple concepts. So जिस तरह से हम ये प्लेट्स किचन में एक दूसरे के ऊपर रखते जा रहे हैं, इस तरह से जो स्टेक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर है वो भी अपने अंदर जो डेटा कंटेन करता है वो इस लॉजिक पे जो है वो स्टोर करता है. दिस इज P1 प्लेट 1, P2 प्लेट 2, फिर आपने तीसरी प्लेट, देन प्लेट. So any logic that works in a similar way एक दूसरे के ऊपर, then this, then this, then this, then this. So similar logic the stake follows. अब ये जो लॉजिक स्टेक फॉलो कर रहा है अपने अंदर डेटा रखने की, इस लॉजिक और प्रिंसिपल को हम कहते हैं कि ये स्टेक जो है LIFO प्रिंसिपल फॉलो कर रहा है. दिस इज कॉल्ड LIFO principle. What do you mean by LIFO principle? LIFO means last in, first out. चेक करें, ऐसा है क्या? ये LIFO प्रिंसिपल कह सकते हैं. सबसे पहले आपने 2 इंसर्ट किया, फिर 4 किया, फिर 6 किया, लास्ट में हमने एंड जो है वो लास्ट में हमने 8 इंसर्ट किया स्टेक के अंदर. लेकिन जब वैल्यू गेट करें, आउट करें या इस स्टेक में से निकालें हम या इससे वैल्यू गेट करें, तो सबसे पहले जो वैल्यू बाहर आएगी वो 8 आएगा. हालांकि हमने इसको सबसे लास्ट में इंसर्ट किया है. सो लास्ट इन हुआ और फर्स्ट आउट हो रहा है. तो लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट इस प्रिंसिपल को कहते हैं, जिस प्रिंसिपल के ऊपर स्टेक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर काम कर रहा है. I hope this is clear to you. Clear? So stake data structure that is storing the different types of the data. In this time we have created a stake data structure of the even numbers. We have created 5 stakes. The first stake is empty stake. The second stake where the first value is inserted, the second value, the third and the fourth. और स्टेक के अंदर ये वैल्यू इस तरह से इंसर्ट की जाती हैं. The method, the principle, the stake follows, that is called LIFO principle, last in first out. यानी जो सबसे आखिर में आपने स्टेक के अंदर वैल्यू रखी है वो सबसे लास्ट पहले बाहर निकलेगी. So that's why you say this principle is called LIFO principle, last in, first out. I hope the concept is clear. So now I'm removing this board. So what we have covered so far, you have covered the stake and the LIFO principle, the way stake data structure contains or stores the data. The second thing that is important now, different operations on stake data. We perform different operations. So let's cover one by one. In stake data structure, we perform the operation is called push operation. Push operation. I think everything is going fine, visible, and everything is fine. So no comments, right? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, everything is fine, huh? Nobody in lobby. So let's move. So push operation. So जैसे हमने पहले एग्जांपल में बात की और आपने इंसर्ट किया डेटा स्ट्रेक के अंदर, आपने कहा टू इंसर्ट किया, दूसरे स्ट्रेक में 2 4 था. Sorry, it's quite difficult to draw, but see 2 4 6 था और फिर आपने कहा कि 2 4 6 और 8 था. अब ये क्या है, ये हम डेटा को इंसर्ट कर रहे हैं किसके अंदर, स्टैक के अंदर. अब ये जो डेटा की इंसर्शन है स्टैक के अंदर, इसको हम कहते हैं पुश ऑपरेशन, राइट. दैट यहां पे आपने डेटा पुश किया, ट्रू, यहां पे पुश किया 4, यहां पे फिर आपने पुश किया 6 और यहां पे हमने पुश किया 8. So what is the push operation? बड़ा सिंपल. The way to insert the data in a stake data structure, the process or the operation is called push operation. I hope this is clear to you. So first operation, very important, that is called push operation. So let's see who's there. Maybe someone in the lobby is betting. Yes, admitting. Then we go back and then we start that, right? Just 1 minute, please. Okay, so push operation. The second is the common operation in the stake is we call this pop operation. So what is the pop operation? Pop is the reverse form of the push operation. In pop operation, basically we delete the data the streak डेटा को जो डेटा आपने रख करते हैं तो हम पॉप ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करते हैं। मिसाल के तौर पे लास्ट जो आपने लास्ट वाला स्टेट क्या था 2 4 6 एंड 8। अब मैं कहूं कि अप्लाई द पॉप ऑपरेशन तो इसका मतलब ये है कि यू delete this first element from the streak. This is called the pop operation. So in pop in output we got it, that is 8, but after applying the pop operation on the streak, what is the remaining, we need to write it 2 4 and 6. So pop 8, then there are 2 4 6 because 8 has been popped from the stick from the top. The second, if you apply the pop second time, so it will remove the 6 behind the streak is 6 2 and 4. So again, if you apply the pop, you will remove the 4. So what we have in the streak now, we have 2. So you again pop, then you remove the 2. Now we have an empty streak. So what is the pop operation? Pop operation, definitely that is a streak. So it is starting from the top element. So top element is removing one by one. Top element is removed one by one through the pop operation, and the remaining elements in the stack. So pop one time you pop, so you remove the 8. Pop 2, you remove the 6. Pop 3, you remove the 4. Pop 4 time operation, you remove the 2, and now we have an empty streak. So what should be the status if you write this? Status is यहाँ पे हमने pop किया है, नीचे आप लिख दें यहाँ भी pop अप्लाई हुआ है, इधर भी pop अप्लाई हुआ है, pop ऑपरेशन यहाँ पे भी pop ऑपरेशन अप्लाई हुआ है, और in result we have an empty streak data structure. Wonderful. So very important concept in the streak data structure, that is called pop operation. You delete the data one by one from stick data structure. So I hope everything is going fine. The third operation that is important, also important in streak, you apply, that is called peak operation. बड़ा सिंपल समझिएगा, पीप के अंदर भी, पीक ऑपरेशन के अंदर भी we remove or delete the data from stack. हम स्टेक में डेटा डिलीट कर रहे हैं, बट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज बट लीविंग अ कॉपी बिहाइंड। अब ये पॉइंट में बिहाइंड और एक कॉपी जो है, और अगर मैं ये कहूं we do not delete permanently, हम परमानेंटली डिलीट नहीं करते पीक ऑपरेशन के अंदर, गेट करते हैं वैल्यू, डेटा बाहर आ जाता है, लेकिन फिर भी उसकी कॉपी जो है स्टेक के अंदर रहती है। इस ऑपरेशन को पीक ऑपरेशन कहा जाता है, जिसको भी हम एग्जांपल के साथ समझने वाले। So let's take an example for this, meaning that in peak operation we are not deleting permanently data from the stack. What does it mean? For example, last stack we have 2 4 6 and 8. If you apply the peak operation, if you apply peak operation, in result, we have this 8 outside. What is remaining in the stake is again 2, 4, 6. So 8 is still there. So this, because peak operation does not remove permanently. So copy of this 8 is still in the stake. So this operation in the stake data structure is called peak operation, right? So push pop point, right? These are very important concepts. I hope you got it. So okay, ओके आई होप के ये बात आपको समझ आ गई